In this video, we're going to show you how to install a 3-panel slider on 2 tracks. Now this is what an unboxed 3-panel slider unit looks like. You have your 3 panels, all with your rollers applied and your top guides applied. You're going to notice though I have 2 different sets of track here. Depending on the door you ordered, you may get a 2-piece track, which just will butt end to end, or you may just get a single track, top and bottom. You'll notice that there's tape applied to your wheels. We're going to leave that there for now. That just makes it easy to install, and we're going to take that off after we're done installing. And also included in your package will be this hardware bag. So now, let's go install this door. First thing we're going to do is install the top tracks. First I'm going to install one side, and then I'm going to come back and install the other. There's pre-drilled holes in the track, so you'll be able to find the hole and drill straight up into your header. And here, you're going to want to be flush to the front edge of your opening. Now that we have the first half installed, I'm going to install the second half. Now the trick is, you want to install the second piece of track as close as possible to the first piece of track and in a straight line to minimize any rolling over the gap. Next, we're going to install the bottom track. If this was a wood floor, we'd screw right into the floor through the pre-drilled holes in the bottom track. But since we're installing on tile, we're going to use a construction-grade adhesive. Please refer to our flooring materials installation chart for methods of installation for your particular floor material. Now, you're going to want to set these back 5/8 inch from the front edge of your opening. I've already marked it here on my wall. Again, you want to try and minimize the gap between the 2 pieces if you have a 2-piece track. That looks good. And now we're ready to get our door panels. We're going to install 2 panels on the back track, and then I'm going to lift it up into the track and just set it down on the wheels. And your middle panel will have no finger pulls. And you're going to install this into the front track. Now that we're completely installed, you may need to adjust this panel to take up any unevenness here by adjusting the rollers. So now that we have our panels installed, we're going to adjust them to take up this situation. Now I'm going to take this other one off because we have to adjust the rollers from the back. It's just going to be easier for me to show you how to do it. If I want to close this gap, up top, I'm going to want to adjust this bottom roller clockwise. So watch what happens to that gap when I turn this roller clockwise. Each door has 2 rollers, and you can adjust the pivot to the left and the right. This concludes our installation video. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at the phone number or at the email address listed on the screen.